The Christchurch Town Hall is a special place. It's a special place to the city, it's a special place to individuals, it's a special place in the context of New Zealand, certainly architecturally and from an acoustic perspective. Following the earthquakes, the building was in a surprisingly intact shape. In saying that, when one looks at the ground levels, that was where the significant change had occurred. All the existing foundations had to be removed and replaced. It was quite an undertaking, as you can imagine, for a project of this scale, to essentially remove all the marble flooring, all the timber flooring throughout the entire complex while holding it in place. Then moving through with diggers and serious construction, which involved essentially injecting jet grout foundations into the ground at 3-metre centres both ways, protecting what we had and what we needed to do to bring it back to 100 NBS. Sir Miles, in his usual fashion, was very direct. He obviously wanted to know how much was being spent, but more importantly, he wanted to know, and he would say to me, "Peter, are you sure you're going to return the colour of that red exactly as it was?" And of course I would have to say, "Of course, Miles, yes, absolutely." It means a lot to Christchurch, it means a lot to the Christchurch architects, and I think the architectural fraternity across the country would recognise and appreciate the awards that we have received tonight. The Enduring Architecture Award is always a special one. It means that there's a timelessness about what's been created here. To be recognised as a Heritage Award, given that the building is only 50 years old, once again speaks to the timelessness and the special, I guess, the special place the project has in the context of Christchurch. Hello.
Hello, Peter. It's Sharon Jansen here.
Oh, hello, Sharon.
The jury thought that this was such an ambitious project, such outstanding work to revive such a magnificent building. So we're pleased to let you know that the Christchurch Town Hall and Warren and Mahoney have won the 2021 John Scott Award for Public Architecture.
Oh, Sharon, that's marvellous news. Gosh, that's quite special, actually. Thank you for letting us know that.
Congratulations, it's fantastic.
That's really cool. Thank you.